next session is a demonstration session of unknown concentration problem by Dr. Shivaranjana. Let me give a brief introduction about Dr. Shivaranjana. Okay, Dr. P. Shivaranjana is assistant professor in Kalasalingam Academy of Research and Education. She did her PhD in August 2019 in Department of Chemistry, Kalasalingam Academy of Research and Education. She did her MPhil in Department of Chemistry, Vijayanagara Missions University, and then she is an assistant professor in this college, Kalasalingam Academy of Research and Education. Okay, Dr. Shivaranjana is an assistant professor in Kalasalingam University, Anand Nagar, Kisankoil, and in the Department of Chemistry. And since 2008, she's been teaching there. Earlier, she was a lecturer in Department of Basic Sciences, VSVN Polytechnic College. Research areas are biocomposites. She has 7 years of research and 15 years of teaching experience. And currently, she is associated with Internal Quality Assurance Cell Coordinator and Exam Cell Coordinator. She also has professional association with Indian Society for Technical Education (ISTE). She has a number of papers in scientific publications and presentations.
Yeah, Shivaranjana ma'am, good afternoon ma'am. Sorry for all the disturbance. Yeah, maybe you can share your screen. We'll fix this issue of who is
Okay,
making a lot of noise. Okay.
Yeah, good afternoon, Shivaranjana madam. Welcome to the show. Sorry, welcome to the
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you for your introduction. Dear participant, as Madhuri ma'am said, I am Dr. P. Shivaranjana from Kalasalingam Academy of Research and Education from Tamil Nadu. And thanks for giving me this opportunity to meet you all here. And I'm going to explain you how we are going to determine the concentration of an unknown solution by gravimetric analysis method. And hope participants, you must have watched the demo video already. For determining the arsenic concentration. In the same way, we are.
They have not, Shivaranjana. I think they have not. After your lecture, it is there.
Okay, ma'am. Okay,
after your talk, it is there. So.
Yeah. Okay, ma'am. Yeah, dear participants, this is our home page. So once you open this page, just click on this file menu, and you will be getting the load homework option. The first option. Click into that. Once you click on this, you will be getting a window like this. In this, just scroll down, you will get a quantitative analysis tab. Just click it twice and you will be getting two links inside that. The first one is unknown concentration problem, and this is what we are going to look into now. Okay, so now I am clicking this unknown concentration problem. So I am clicking it twice. So I am getting into a new page now. So here in the left hand side menu, we are getting the list of chemicals, and at the last I am getting the problem description. So when you click on this problem description twice, you will be directed to the information page, and here you can see what is the problem given to us. Actually, now our aim is to determine the concentration of silver ions. Okay, so this is our problem now. Okay, now we can close this tab, the problem description, and now we are here in the workbench. So now first we are going to select this unknown silver nitrate solution. So I am going to click it twice. So once I click it twice, I can get this conical flask with silver nitrate solution. Actually, we know the volume of the silver nitrate solution. So when you click it, in the right side information panel, you can see the name unknown silver nitrate and the volume as 52.5 ml. Okay, right. The next required chemical for us is 1 sodium chloride. So I am going to double click it again. So now I am getting it here. So see the information menu now. So in the right hand side, dear participant, can you mute yourself? So in the right hand side solution information, we are getting the name as 1 sodium chloride. So now the volume is 100 ml in this sodium chloride. So now I am going to select this glassware. Can you see this menu? So in this glassware menu, I am clicking this arrow and now I am getting so many options here. Now I am going to select pipette. So now here I am going to select a 25 ml pipette. So these were the things required for us now. So first what I am going to do is I am going to take sodium chloride, the 1 m sodium chloride using this pipette. Okay, so I am dragging the pipette inside. So I am getting a green color symbol, plus symbol. At that time, I will release my mouse. And now see, here in the bottom of this page, transfer amount is there. Okay, I am going to type as 25 ml and then I am going to click this withdraw button. So now 25 ml of the solution from this conical flask is being taken up into the pipette. So now I am replacing the sodium chloride solution to the place and then I am moving this silver nitrate solution here. So I am placing in a place where I can get the green color plus symbol. And now I am going to transfer drop by drop of the sodium chloride into the silver nitrate. So what happens when I am adding sodium chloride into silver nitrate is just precipitation reaction will take place. So sodium chloride and silver nitrate reacts together and silver chloride will be precipitated and sodium chloride will be in the solution state. And we are going to, when we are doing it in our laboratory in the real time lab, we will be filtering it out and the precipitate will be dried and we will be taking the weight of the precipitate. So this is the basic principle in the gravimetric titration. Whenever we are doing gravimetric method of analysis, we will be making precipitation. The weight of the mass of the precipitate is calculated and we will be relating this through the calculation and we will be determine how much amount of exactly the Ag plus ion or any other metal ion is there in the solution. So here also we are going to apply the same method. So while if I want to add this solution drop by drop, I have to move to this tool menu and see here we are getting 4 options. At the bottom we have a transfer bar. So in this transfer bar again we have 3 options. I am going to click on realistic transfer. When I have clicked the realistic transfer, I am getting this option. Okay, now I will be clicking on this silver nitrate solution beaker. So in the right side info panel, I will get into what is the solution there and how much volume is there. Okay, and now in the bottom, I am going to click pour. So what happens when I am clicking the pour every time, a drop by drop of sodium chloride solution will be added into this unknown silver nitrate. So at the same time, if you are looking into the solution information panel, the volume will be raised from 52.5 to some other ml. And you can also see, please look into the information panel also. I am going to add the sodium chloride solution. Okay. So see here, now we are getting silver nitrate, silver chloride precipitate. You can see it in the right side information panel. The grams are also displayed. So when I am going on adding it, see here, the values are increasing. That means silver chloride is precipitating and the amount of silver chloride formed is being displayed here. So I will be keep on adding sodium chloride until the grams, the weight, the formation of sodium silver chloride stops. Okay. So I am going on adding drop by drop. See here the volume is also increasing. Now the volume is 62.499 and the precipitation of silver chloride is 1.1287 and now I am adding again and again but there is no increase in the grams. That means all the silver ions present in the silver nitrate solution is totally precipitated as silver chloride. Even when I am adding more and more, the volume rises, but the grams of silver chloride is remaining constant. Hope you can all understand. And now one more option is here. When there is a small arrow mark near the grams button in the right side solution information panel. And if you click on this arrow mark, you can get moles. If you click on this moles, you can get the value of moles here. Okay. Hope you can all understand now. See here, we can get it in the grams as well as in the moles. Okay, so this is what needed for our calculation. Now let us go on with our calculation. So first remember, we have taken sodium chloride and unknown silver nitrate solution. We have added we have taken 25 ml of sodium chloride in the pipette, and we have added it drop by drop by selecting the realistic transfer in the tool menu. And once we got a constant value, constant weight or mass of silver chloride, we have stopped it. And now we are going on with the calculation. Okay, I will show you the calculation now. See here, this is what the reaction what we have seen now. Silver nitrate, which we have taken as unknown silver nitrate in a flask, and then we have added sodium chloride. So this is the reaction what is actually happening. Silver chloride is precipitated as solid in the bottom of the conical flask, and the sodium nitrate is in the solution state. So actually the molecular weight of silver nitrate is 169.87 gram per mole. So this is what our calculation is. So weight of silver chloride. So this is the weight what we have seen in that right side information panel. We have seen it in the grams as well as in the moles. The same thing was included in this tabulation. And first, this is the first column weight of silver chloride. We got it as 1.1287 grams. So next column moles of silver chloride. So this information is also available in our VLab interface itself in the right side information panel. When you click the downward arrow, we can get into the moles. And I showed you there itself. And the number of moles is 7.875 into 10 to the power minus 3. And next one is moles of silver nitrate in 52.5 ml. Actually, this 52.5 ml is there in the conical flask, the unknown silver nitrate conical flask what we have taken in our workbench in the VLab interface. So in this 52.5 ml of silver nitrate, we had 7.875 into 10 to the power minus 3 moles of silver nitrate. So if it is 7.875 into 10 to the power of minus 3 moles in 52.5 ml, how much we will have in 1 liter, that is 1000 ml. So of the result is 0.15 m. So this is how we are going to, we have estimated the quantity of silver ion in the given unknown concentration solution. So hope you can all understand this.
Yeah, thank you, ma'am. That was nice. Any questions from participants?
You can also try it with the silver arsenic. The demo video, the spoken tutorial is available.
Yeah, they will do that next, ma'am.
Okay,
Ranjana ma'am, everybody says it's excellent, very clear. Whatever you have explained is so nice, ma'am.
Thank you so much, man. Actually, I learned only from you.
Very good,
Snehalata
very
ma'am and
good.
Madhuri ma'am, actually, only from you I learned all these things.
But you are such a good teacher, ma'am. I tried to explain, but maybe I'm not such a good teacher because I realized that after that I forgot to tell them in the halogen reactivity to see the colors of the gases. You know, the chlorine, bromine, iodine. They had their colors: brown color, purple color, green color. So after seeing your explanation, I'm thinking you are such a good teacher. Really good.
More than 15 years crashed, ma'am, actually.
Yes. That's why I could clearly make out, the how the real professional teachers will deal. So good.
But still,
Very
your
nice.
effort is totally different, but you are contributing more to us. Only from us, we are learning and we are teaching so many people. So, your contribution is different, actually. Yeah, thank you, ma'am. Thank
Yeah.
you so much.
Thank you, Shivaranjana ma'am. That was great actually. It was so nice.
Thank
So
you,
very
ma'am.
good explanation. Thank you, ma'am. Thank you so
Thank you,
much.
ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.
Thanks for coming, ma'am. Thank you. You are very busy teacher, but thanks for coming and
I'm really happy
telling
to
this.
have a session like this, ma'am.
Surely in future we'll call you, and it
Thank
was
you for
so
this
great
opportunity.
session from you. So thanks,
Thank you,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Thanks for
Thank you,
coming,
ma'am.
and I think the
Thank you, ma'am.
participants really enjoyed a lot. Thank you so much, ma'am. Thank you.
Yeah, thank you, ma'am. Thank
Yeah.
you, ma'am.